everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a roasted lamb shanks. It's an original Persian recipe, very easy and very juicy and tasty. For this recipe I need 4 lamb shanks, 1 large potato, and I made this marinating sauce. It is a juice of 1 onion, 4 garlics, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, and half a tablespoon of coriander seed. First I rinsed and dried the lamb shanks with a paper towel. Poke a small hole, 1 or 2 on each lamb shank, and then marinate it. Pour the marinating sauce inside the little hole that you just made, and also wrap it all around. After marinating all of the lamb shanks, cover the pot with a plastic food wrap and then put the lid on and keep it in the refrigerator while it's marinating. After 4 to 5 hours, take the lamb shanks out of the refrigerator, chop 1 large potato in big slices, add it to the pot, and then sprinkle everything with a little bit olive oil. Put the lid on. Preheat the oven to 375. Put a timer for 2 hours. I'm gonna bake these lamb shanks for 2 hours. And while it's baking, take it out of the oven 2 or 3 times. Take a large spoon and pour all the juice from the bottom of the pan on top of the lamb shanks. This is the second time I'm checking the lamb shanks. Take a large spoon and same thing. Get all the juice from the bottom of the pot, pour it on top of the lamb shanks. It makes the meat of the lamb shanks juicy and tender and give it that beautiful color at the end. The lamb shanks are ready. It has been baking for 2 hours. Looks very delicious and juicy. I made a little bit white rice to serve with this delicious roasted lamb shanks. So I lay the rice on the bottom of the plate and I put 1 lamb shank on top of that, and with a big spoon I'm gonna pour the juice from the bottom of the pan on top of the lamb shank. This delicious roasted lamb shank is ready. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you for watching and I appreciate your support.